according to the details, the Tecno Camon 50 Ultra would come in orange, blue, and black colorways. The orange color variant has been reviewed. As you can see, it looks real nice. You've got a clean matte looking glass back with that vertical triple camera layout. The camera rings are, very large and aggressive. It looks very modern in my opinion. The phone is also super slim at just 7.4 millimeters and weighs just 178 grams. Additionally, the device has IP68 and IP69K ratings, and the device is also military grade standard 810H certified. So this is basically a rugged phone that looks ultra modern. Now let's talk about its display. According to the features, the device would feature a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with up to 144Hz refresh rate, 2160Hz PWM dimming, HDR10 support, and the resolution of the display is 1208 by 2644 pixels. The display is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Performance wise, the device is running the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultimate chipset, which in my opinion isn't very impressive because this device, I'm expecting it to cost the same price as the Redmi Turbo 5. I mean, if the device at least has the Dimensity 400, that would have been better. Anyway, it is paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of UFS storage. It ships with Android 16 and iOS 16, and Tecno promises up to 3 major Android upgrades, which is a surprise because Tecno and Infinix, they hardly provide OTA updates to their devices, regardless of how expensive it is. Now in the camera department, you're getting a triple rear camera setup led by a 50MP main shooter with OIS support, followed by a 50MP telephoto lens with up to 3x or 3 times optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra wide angle lens. And yes, the phone can shoot up to 4K videos at 30 FPS, which is quite nice. On the front, you have a 50MP selfie shooter with face detection autofocus and can shoot 4K videos at up to 60 FPS. So this is a phone that's perfect for content creators. Now the battery, as I said earlier, is actually quite large. It is, according to the details, the device would either have a 6160 mAh battery, but there are some other legit online sources that are saying the phone may pack up to a massive 6500 mAh cell. Anyway, the device will support 45 watts fast charging. Other features include stereo speakers, NFC, Aero Blaster, Wi-Fi 6, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and so on. So now let's talk about price expectations. According to the details, the device may cost at least $400. So these are the top features of the Tecno Camon 50 Ultra. What do you think about this device? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.